Hello everyone, welcome to watch ZW3D training video series. Let's continue to the join module. In the first video, we make a brief introduction about the 2D join and then how to create and edit views. In the second video, we show you how to add dimensions and annotations. And then the third video to show you a case study. Now, in this video, I will show you how to create 2D join for assembly. Okay, let's continue. So the assembly 2D join is similar as the part 2D join, but there are still some differences. As you can see from this screenshot, the first that there are many components in the assembly, so we need to control the visibility of the component, and also we need to add the BOM table and the balloons to show the component information, and sometimes we need the exploded view. So I will tell you how to create them. So the first thing is how to control the component visibility. There are two ways. One is inherit from part directly, and also we can manage it independently, as you can see from here. And also we need to know how to configure the section view display, such as the section state, hatch color. So there are two ways to make the configuration. One is inherit from part directly, so you can check the part attribute from the properties windows like the section state, hatch status. And another way is to set it manually. So let's just check out inside the software. This is a FAF, which is an assembly product. So let's check the 2D sheet. So the first is about the part visibility. So for example, this view, we can go to the attribute. So here you can find there are components assembly structure here, and also you can click this component visibility from part. Also we can untick this to control this, for example the body, so we can just hide the component. Let's check the result like this one, and also we can undo. The next I would like to show you is about the section configuration attribute. So you can find the section tab. So you can inherit the component section state from part directly, and also you can untick this, even the color. So you can check here, for example, color still okay, and call I want to section, and also for this adjusting stream, so I want to hatch. So let's check the result. So you can find this result, and also here this is the adjusting stream. Okay, and also for the color I would like to show you here with this view. So we can just go to layout, use the full section and select this one and point. Let me check this point, horizontal and location. So we can check here and finish. So let's just check the attribute. We can untick this, and also hatch color front part is not ticked. So we can choose this to section just to compare. Okay, so you can find the difference. the color is different, and also the core section state is different, right? So this is about the how to control the component visibility and also the section state, hatch color. And next, I will show you how to create the exploded view. So as you can find, the step is first we need to create the explode view in the modeling's environment, and then we create standard view, select the assembly, select the proper view, and then choose the explode view in advanced tab. Then we can choose to display the exploded chairs if necessary. So let's go to the software. To create the exploded view, the first thing we need to have the exploded view in the model space. So let's just go back to check. In the assembly manager, we can find that there's already an exploded views here. So we can just go to the 2D sheet and insert a new sheet, and I will show you how to create the explode view. First, run the standard, and then select the assembly, and in the option we can set the things, the setting, and also the scale is okay. Then we go to the advanced tab, so we can choose the exploded views and then display the exploded chairs if necessary. So another point is that we need to select the view, the prop view, to show it clearly. So I have already created a custom view. Okay, so put here. We have finished, but maybe you find that the scale is not big enough, so we can just go to here, right click, view scale, just one, and we get this exploded view. Okay, BOM table is very important for the assembly 2D drawing. So there are many settings, as you can check from this slide and to this slide. So let's check out inside the software directly. Let's still check this valve assembly. So to create the BOM, we can just go to Layout tab and BOM. So we can choose the view like this, and name you can just leave it empty. And also the level setting, this is very clear, just top level only or parts only. So here we just choose parts only, and for these settings you can check from my slide, and the starting ID, the order, creating the ID, so we can use the order by name or order by assembly. So usually I recommend you use this one. Okay, and for the template, you can choose the built-in template or your custom template, and also you can inherit from the 3D BOM if you already have. Okay, and also you can define the column, the content. For example, here we do not need the manager, just remove, and also you can adjust the order. Okay, and I would like to choose sorted by the name, and also this is the ascending or descending order, sort order, and tick this. Then we can just OK to insert the table, BOM table. Finish. And we can also insert the balloons, which is linked with this table. So just check here. Okay. You can use only for components in table or for all of them. So we can just keep this. That means change this. Not show the scale and the label. Okay, you can find that there's a star here. Means this is not displayed in the BOM table. Okay, and for the balloons, for example, these two components is the same. Actually, we can use the, for example, we can use the balloon manually. So we can choose this one, place here. And also we can add more leader. So for this one, it's the same component, so you can get this. Okay, and also for these streams, so we can use the stack balloons. So we choose the main one like this one, and choose another like 8 and 11. So 8 and 11. And then we can choose the style like this one or this one. Okay, finish. So we can get this result. Of course, we can just make a little move to show it better. Okay, so if we modify the balloon, the ID will be updated in the BOM table also. The balloon and BOM table is linked together. And about the BOM table, actually it supports to update data to the part attribute. For example, we can make some modification, redefine the table. We can add more information like the manager, put here, and okay. So let's edit this manager, the range, yes, like okay, IV. So let's go back to this. This is the range. So we can just check the part attribute. There's no, yeah, it has been updated automatically. But if I change another name, so apply, okay, and go back to the 2D sheet. Let's check here. It has not been updated, but we can just choose this to update, so you can find the data has been updated. It can be updated from two sides. Okay, that's all for the BOM table and the balloons. Okay, I just show you about the BOM table and also the balloons in the sample. Here you can find that we support both the auto balloon and the manual balloon. And the auto balloon, there are some detailed information you can check from this slide. And we can set the balloon type, lower test pattern type, quantity, display mode. And also for the balloon, we're supposed to add multiple leaders and also the stack balloons. So that's all for the assembly 2D drawing. In the next video, I will show you how to customize a sheet template. So thank you for watching.